How do you ride your e-bike? That's what this video is about today. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. This is Just Living Life. My name is Roy, and I do a bunch of stuff on this channel. I ride e-bikes, like you can see. I do home repair videos, I do gardening videos. I got some camp stuff videos, tractor videos, all sorts of stuff, okay? But today I want to discuss how do you ride your e-bike. There's all different ways to ride. Do you just ride at a casual speed? Or do you pedal as fast as you can, ride it as fast as you can? I'm more the casual speed. I like to ride more at the casual speed, just, 10, 13 miles an hour, whatever, just casual speed. I will ride fast if I'm going downhill, letting it coast, or pedaling real fast when dogs are chasing me, like if, I've talked about in previous videos. But casual. So, another thing is, do you pedal your bike, or do you use the throttle, or do you use a mix of both? I use a mix of both. Going downhill, I have the bike in zero pedal assist. But like right now, I have it in pedal assist 1, going up a hill, and every now and then I'll give it a quick push of the throttle. I have a thumb throttle on this bike, my Belly Truck Discover 2. Some other bikes have a twist throttle, so you can say twist of the throttle, but I do push of the throttle. So yeah, going uphill, I use pedal assist and a little bit of throttle. Now on flat areas, a lot of the time I have this bike, a lot of the time I have this bike in zero pedal assist. Yeah, zero pedal assist, so I can get a little bit of exercise, But I'm just a casual rider. I'm not a hardcore pedalist, Now, another type, do you ride on road? Do you ride mountain biking? Dirt roads? Do you ride bike paths? The majority of the time I'm riding the road right now. I have ridden one bike path and I want to ride some more, but I just don't have the time to do it. And, because there's no bike path right next to my house or anything, so I have to drive there. And that means on the weekends or on vacation, but then I also have other hobbies like ride my motorcycle, so I don't have time to go. And also, taking care of the lawn and the property and stuff like that. But I would like to do more bike paths. And around here, our bike paths are both paved and gravel, and grass. So it's a mixture of both, and dirt roads. As you can tell on my one and only video that I have right now of a bike path that I rode. So, you know, and do you have the right bikes for the right terrain? Tell you what, this bike here, it's good for the road, good for bike paths with pavement and smooth packed, hard packed gravel and dirt. It is not good for bumpy dirt roads, I can tell you that. And I think I mentioned that in that video. If you're interested, I'll link the video in the description below, the one of the bike path that I rode. Well, only part of it. I want to do more videos on the rest of it. And hopefully those videos will be let's say, hopefully I'm able to make those videos soon. We'll see. Don't know. But short video. What type of e-bike rider are you? Casual, everyday, casual speeds, or fast and furious? Do you use high pedal assist? No pedal assist? Do you pedal? Or a mixture of both? Or do you use throttle? And throttle only? Leave it in the comments. You know, there's all different kinds of ways that you can ride your e-bike. Doesn't really matter as long as you're getting out. Get out and ride. So, leave it in the comments. That's the end of today's video. If you haven't already, hit all those buttons and subscribe if you are interested in these videos. And if you want to see some more, hit up the next video up here. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.